Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Poco M4 Pro 5G. Okay, for that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool to remove the SIM tray. And that you will find here in the box. There's another yellow box inside, and if you open it you will find it here. Just flap the wings and you will have it. If you don't find it anymore, after you have inserted the SIM card, and you put it somewhere else, you could use always also the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and that SIM tray you have at the first position always the SIM card, and on the second position you can put a second SIM card or a microSD card. So if you want to use a microSD card, you cannot have a second SIM card. Please note that. So, but it doesn't matter. So place your SD card here on that position or the last position, and it has to look like this then. And the contacts are below. Okay, and after you put this construction back into the phone, and that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos like how to transfer the data to the microSD card and so on. And yeah, you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.